Animals of the jungle, gather around and listen well. I speak not as your king, but as your fellow creature who shares this land, this water, these skies. For far too long, we have allowed our differences to divide us. Fur against feathers, stripes against spots, claws against hooves. The jungle's true strength lies not in the roar of the lion or the flight of the eagle, but in the harmony of all its voices joined as one. When we quarrel, the river grows muddied, the trees fall silent, and the shadows lengthen with fear. But when we unite, the jungle thrives, every leaf glistens with life, every bird sings a song of hope. Let us set aside old grudges and hunt not for conflict, but for understanding and peace. Let the mighty protect the small, and the swift guide the slow. Together we can ensure our cubs, pups, and chicks inherit a land brimming with life, safety, and hope. I challenge each of you, greet your neighbor not with suspicion, but with respect and kindness. Stand together, and let the world see the strength of a united jungle. Peace is not weakness, it is our greatest power. Let us roar together as one.